I believe that we will. I believe that we will. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win.
Hi, I'm Tacy Klein. Welcome to episode 7, our final episode of Trojan TV for 2021. First off, we're going to take a look at winter sports. On November 22nd, Sophie Hall talked to some of our winter athletes during Media Day, where they offered their thoughts on the upcoming season. Following that, Emily Johnson brings us a video journal from this week's Pep Assembly ahead of the first home basketball games. It was the first time the student body has been assembled for a Pep Assembly in the main gym since 2020. Let's take a look.
I'm most looking forward to watching Chris Harris play varsity basketball.
For senior season, all the amazing memories we're going to make as a team.
Okay, I'm looking forward to all the young talent that we have on the team and the great energy that they're going to bring and all of the team bonding.
I'm most looking forward to that Chloe's a senior, but it's also sad.
Yeah, I'd say making the most out of my senior season.
Probably just being able to play with fans in front, just playing for the community, playing with everyone, my parents watching, friends.
I'm most looking forward to the teamwork that we're going to have during the league and the higher up meets.
Probably the team dinners after good tournaments with the boys.
I'm looking forward to the energy that the team brings.
I'm looking forward to see how our team grows and develops.
I'm looking forward to winning a state title this year.
I'm most looking forward to making new records and new best times and meeting new people at swim meets.
I'm looking forward to making it to state and team dinner with the boys, and yeah.
One thing I'm most looking forward to this season is definitely the student section. We haven't had it the past 2 years, and it should be fun to have people back cheering for us.
Packed gym.
I'm most looking forward to bonding with the team.
So again, seniors, juniors, sophomores, and freshmen over here. Just to make sure everybody's on the same page here as we go towards the end of the semester, down here to Gym A, where we can take.
Next up, we've got a look at the puzzle aficionados of our media center. In this day of videos and smartphone apps, sophomores Anna McDavid and Jocelyn Palacio share why they are drawn to this form of analog entertainment.
When you look at an empty puzzle, you're like, I want to finish that because it just looks wrong.
Not to be complete.
I think doing puzzles relaxes me, and it kind of has a good sense of like accomplishment with it. Being able to put like 1,000 random pieces together to form a picture.
So like, it didn't have any color. It was just a.
It was just a black and white puzzle.
Yeah.
No.
Like even though we got
No.
so annoyed and frustrated, we still had to
awful.
finish it.
Oh my gosh.
Because we were just like
We couldn't leave it.
dedicated. Yeah.
We have to finish it.
Finally, we'll take a look at 0 Reasons Why, which is, according to its organizers, a storytelling and community mobilization campaign to remove the stigma of mental health and prevent teen suicide. The movement aims to drive productive conversations to affirm there are 0 reasons why suicide is an option. This week, Andover students had a banner day in the Commons. It was an opportunity for students to write down positive thoughts and comments in the hopes that anybody who is struggling might read them and feel more comfortable with opening up about their mental health. Thank you for tuning in to episode 7 of Trojan TV. Good luck on finals. We'll see you next year.